So tadi memang dia terus tak dengar suara dia orang. Kalau tak pakai mic memang tak dengar sangat ke weh?
Sebab dia orang bising kat belakang.
Selesai. Macam mana dia tak main?
By that time, I already had the love of my life.
Cuba cakap.
Test. In 10 years, in 10 years, I hope that I will be
Hai. Aduh, tu dah aku tak jadi lah. Hi guys, my name is Maria and in 10 years maybe I will be mommy of 2 and maybe dah ada kerja and tak naklah jadi housewife tapi mungkin dah ada kerja yang stable and I can buy anything with my money. Mungkin dah ada kereta satu S70 mungkin S70 tapi kalau tak dapat S70 pun tak apa. Okay, tu je. Okay, my name is Maria. Annyeonghaseyo. Hi guys. Assalamualaikum. Okay, sekarang ni saya umur 23.